What's going on, y'all? What's going on? It's your boy Cash back with another video, with another one, and you already know the wrong going on. You dig? But no, just playing. But for the most part, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what these lights look like. I finally got them installed. All 4 doors, finally got them installed. Let's check this out and let's see what they looking like. This the driver door. Boom, killing them. This the back door, killing them. Give y'all a full walkthrough of this all dog, boy. Passenger, little light right here, so you might not be able to see it. Oh yeah, you can see that shit. Yeah, you can see that shit. Not bad at all. And then I'm gonna double door this shit. And I'm up in the garage right now. That's why it's looking all junky, y'all. But y'all see, I got the AUG doll fully lighted up all the way around. And y'all, for the most part, as y'all seen in my last video, it didn't really take too much to get this shit done. Didn't really take too much. And I actually ended up letting a 11-year-old finish up the job. So for those of y'all that don't think y'all can get it done, y'all definitely can. And I'm grabbing my Taco Bell right now. No endorsement for Taco Bell, but I definitely had to grab it.
Come on, you got me waiting for you.
All right, y'all, I'm checking out.
Hood rich, all my life, I wanna be hood rich. They come, hood rich, yeah they come, hood rich.
This boy got a hit.
Run up the bands, hey, hey, run up the bands. Cash, getting it in, cash, getting it in.